There are many such places on this earth where it is very difficult for humans to survive. But yes, there are many such creatures which can not only survive in such an environment, but can also propagate their species. You must have heard about volcano, but have you ever thought that just like the world of forest and sea, volcano will also be inhabited by animals? After all, what are the animals which are like this? You will have to watch the video till the end to know that we are able to serve even in such conditions. So let's start today's video, in which we will introduce you to the world, which is flourishing among the strong people. This will be the topic of our video today. Life inside volcanoes. Most of us only know about volcanoes that they are mountain shapes above the ground. It looks like a mountain, but is it completely true? Then just wait, because science has discovered over the years that volcanoes are found even inside the oceans because most of the volcanoes in the world are present underwater. It can be about 3 kilometers below, so according to experts, around 400 animals are said to be found in such an environment. That many cameras were installed there to confirm the presence of life. And after that, even scientists were surprised to see the view there because, apart from fish and sharks, many types of small creatures were also found in this belt. But there is no doubt about this. Volcanoes can be very dangerous for any animal. Number 10. Shock. Research and efforts are being made to find out whether the life of box is possible in or around the volcano beach or not. Have done a lot of experiments and tried to find out how hot. If they survive such pressure in water, then to know this rally, to know the reality that these creatures roam in hot and acid water underwater. Robots were sent to the underwater volcano in which cameras were sent. It was fixed because, where the water is very hot, sometimes problems like divorce and discoloration were seen in such hot water. But what was seen from the robot camera was a big achievement for the scientist because they saw not only small animals, but also hobbies. Can you imagine that hobbies are also found in volcanoes? Many researchers believe that mostly small animals are found around volcanoes, but the presence of hobbies. A new question: how can such a big animal survive in this hot water? Number 9.6. Gill Stingray. Everyone knows that many types of animals are found in the sea. So, among these animals discovered till now, some are so strange that even you will be surprised to know about them. Like we talk about the stingray found in the deep sea, about which many people do not know, and the surprising thing about it is that it has 6 scale stingrays are also found around volcanoes. This is such a dangerous place that it is absolutely impossible for any human being to survive here. But this is a minor task for the stingray. She not only survives there, but also gives birth to children and lives a comfortable life. Actually, other big animals are not able to reach the place where stingray lives, but the acid water present here can sometimes become a cause of danger for them. Number 8. Individual crab. There are very few members in the species of crabs which are seen in volcanoes. May go. In the ocean, where there is darkness and water pressure is very high, very few are able to survive in such conditions. Then Yeti Crab is also one of those animals. They live in such a dangerous environment, although crabs. Most species of ants live in the ocean, but Yeti Crab adapt themselves to survive inside volcanoes. Despite living like this temple, Yeti Crab spends its entire life in a warm environment. Due to this, the outside temperature does not make much difference to them. Number 7. Fanged fish. You must have seen many types of fish, but fanged fish, very few people have seen this fish because this fish mostly lives in deep sea. According to boats, it is in the depth of the sea. It is found below 16,000 feet because this fish likes to spend most of its time in darkness. Along with that, its appearance is also quite dangerous. Although it is only a few inches in size, but its sharp teeth are much more dangerous than others. According to Seoul, This is their best place where they have prepared themselves to survive. Due to this, very little information has been received about them. Number 6. Polychaete worm. Just imagine what we knew about worms till date. They live in mud beaches or marshy areas. But do you know that there are some such worms also, which live in the beach of Volcano? And this form is also known as predator worm because, by nature, it is a hunter worm, which also hunts many types of insects. And this pressure found in water is considered very unique and amazing. You will not believe that it has been known about the existence of this amazing number 5 harmful microbes on this Earth for about 500 million years.